If you're looking for a condominium that's convenient and accessible, the Levels is perfect for you. We're featuring a 2-bedroom unit that has an approximate area of 55 square meters. Inside the unit, you will be greeted by a living and a dining area that has an ample space for you and your family. You have an access to an array of amenities that you and your family can enjoy.
On the first floor, we have an access to the billiards and the darts room. And on the other side, we also have the table tennis room.
For all the fitness fanatics, the Levels has its own gym. The Levels, your home within the heart of the Metro South.